Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this video will equip you with essential knowledge and strategies. Let's begin with the basics. Forex trading involves the buying and selling of currency pairs. It's a dynamic market, open 24 hours a day, where you can trade currencies like the euro and the US dollar. Understanding these pairs is crucial as they form the backbone of all Forex transactions. Now, diving into trading strategies. Successful traders often rely on a mix of technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis uses charts and historical data to predict future movements, while fundamental analysis focuses on economic indicators and news events. Finding a balance between these approaches can be key to developing your own trading strategy. Market analysis is another vital aspect. It's not just about reading the charts, it's about interpreting them. Recognize patterns, understand trends, and know when to enter or exit a trade. This knowledge can significantly increase your chances of making profitable trades. Of course, with potential profits come risks. Effective risk management is essential to protect your investments. This means setting stop-loss orders, managing your trading capital wisely, and avoiding over-leveraging. As we wrap up, here are some tips for beginners. Start with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Keep learning and stay updated with market news. And most importantly, remain patient and disciplined. With these insights, you're now better prepared to navigate the Forex market. Remember, education and practice are your best tools for success. Thank you for watching and happy trading.